Alright, this is tutorial number 2. So we've just made the walls last time. Now we're going to make some music and controllers. So this time we're going to click on Resources, Create Sound. Okay, we're going to call it sound_music. And we're going to load the sound, and we need to find our home folder. So you can click on the side here, Computer, Home Folder, TankWar Resources, and Music. Alright, click OK. The next thing we want to do is we need to create a new object, so Resources Object. And this time we're going to make the object that controls the game. So this is like the thing that makes the sound play, keeps the score, those kind of things. So object_controller. Alright, we want the depth to be -100. And now we're going to go add event. Other, game start. That means at the beginning of the game, we want something to happen. So that what we want to happen is on the side, we go to main 1, and there's the sound icon. This should match the icon in your book. So we drag it over. Okay, it's important you drag it. And we're going to pick the sound. There's sound music, which we made earlier. That's over there. We want it to play over and over, so true. Alright, now we click OK. Now we're going to make the room, so Resources, Create Room. You can make this box bigger and zoom out so you can see the whole screen. Go to Settings, and we're going to give it a name. Okay, so I'm following page 193, step number 3. So room_main. We'll give it a name, say TankWar Room. Okay, we'll go to Objects. Or background, and we need to change the background image to background. Okay, you can scroll back up, and now we're going to go to Objects. We want to make sure that the object controller, actually we want it to be Object Wall 1. So left clicking, if you follow the guide here, places it in the map. If you hold the Shift key, you can place more in at once. Okay, so go around and place it all the way around the room. And say you screw up and you go to the side like that, to fix the issue, you right click and delete. So right click, delete, right click, delete. Tells you right here on the side how to do it. Okay, next we're going to switch the object to Object Wall 2. We're going to make some starting points for our tank. Okay, it's important that you leave a gap of at least 2 spaces. Now if you hold your mouse wheel down, you can move your thing around by holding the mouse wheel. Okay, we're going to place a little line in the middle, which might make it more tricky for the game. Okay, that looks good. So when we're done, we'll click the check button. I forgot one thing. So to go back, you just double click on the bottom here, Room Main. We need to add in the controller. So click on Object Controller, and we'll click it and it'll pop in the top left corner. See how it looks like a blue question mark? That's the controller. Okay, now we'll click the check button. Alright, that concludes tutorial number 2.